Okay, in our first example, or second example, we're going to tell whether the angles are vertical or adjacent, and then find the value of x. If you take a look at this guy here, you see we got 70 degrees and it's directly across from it. That is vertical. And those, because these are two straight lines, these two angles are going to be congruent, which means they have the same measure. So if this is 70, this much also be 70 degrees. These are side-by-side angles, which means that they are adjacent. And because the angles make up a right angle, because of this red square, that means it makes a 90-degree angle. We know that we add these together, we get 90. So x plus 4 plus 31 would be 90. So we can drop the parentheses because it's all adding. We can add in any order. 4 plus 31 is 35. X plus 35 equals 90, so we subtract 35 to get 55. So if we plug that back in over here, 55 plus 4 is 59. 59 plus 31 is 90. So we know that the value is 55. So that's how you do example 2. And so then we'll move over to another example, which is on my board here. We are going to draw a pair of vertical angles with a measure of 40 degrees. So to begin with that, I have my protractor and I have to draw a straight line. Just let's make a straight line. And then let's make this be my vertex. And so then I'm going to put this little hole here in my protractor right on that vertice and make this black line line up right on my purple line. And then I want it to be 40 degrees. You'll see my 10, 20, 30, 40 is right here. It's on the inside track. So I'm going to put my dot right there. And then I'm going to draw a line to connect those two. Draw my little arrows there. So this is 40 degrees. If you want to double check, put your vertice back on that dot there. Line up my line. It goes straight through the 40. But this isn't really two vertical angles yet, it's only one angle. In order to make it vertical, just extend this line to make sure it's lined up straight, and just extend this line to be a little bit longer, and extend this line here to be a little bit longer. And by extending my lines, I can say the one directly across from it is also 40 degrees. So those are my vertical angles with a measure of 40 degrees. So if you think you understand this and the example 2, you'll be able to try the next page on your own.